Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about what are the default import packages in Jshell and also how to add a package in Jshell and how to remove the package in Jshell. Type Jshell and press enter. The Jshell console will be opened. Now what we will do is, let's see for suppose what are the default imported packages which Jshell has already been given. For that the command is import. See here we have the java.io package, java.math package, java.net package, java.file package, java.util package, util.concurrent package, java.util.function package, util.preps package, util.regex and util.stream package. These are the default packages which has been given by the Jshell. Let's suppose here I want to add the SQL package / what I am saying here is import java.sql.star. I am saying and press enter. Now / imports. See here SQL package has been imported. After that we can use the classes of corresponding SQL package as we have been imported that SQL package. For example, I want to remove that package. What I need to do is /list I will do. The corresponding number has which this SQL package is there na, that is 1. What I will do here is I will do the / the ID of this SQL package is 1. What I will do here is /drop I will say and press 1. See here the SQL package from the corresponding packages has been removed. For that let me check /imports. I am saying see here the SQL package has been removed. For example, what I am saying here is let's suppose take a array list. I am saying it as integer L equal to new array list. Array list has been created. Empty array list has been created. Let's for suppose add a few numbers. For that what I am saying here is L.add of 1 and press enter. See here 1 has been added to the array list. L.add of 2. I am saying 2 has been added to the corresponding array list. For example, I want to check the numbers which has been added to that array list. For that I will say like L and enter. 1 and 2 has been added to the array list. That means this class is working because this array list is belong to the util package. The util package has already been imported. As because this Jshell has the default import packages. In the default import packages, util package is one among them. That's why this array list class has been working when we have been initiated, when we have been it has been when we have been instantiated this array list. It's been working because we have already this util package, because this array list belong to that util package. That's how this this will work because of these packages. That's all in this video.